What's up, guys? So, today we're gonna play Flit Things and People. Sorry if my mic is bad, my sound is bad again. Bro, I don't know why. Alright, so let's just play Flit Things and People. I don't know how's it gonna go. I've played it, but did not make a video. Come here! Dang it. Star. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Alright, so let's just change it into red. Don't, bro. What? What, bro? What? Yep. Try catch me, little bro. Oh my god. That did not work. My Wi-Fi is kind of bad. Not my name. I don't care what's your name. What? That girl is not even. What? Bro, how? No more. Bro, that girl did not touch it. I'm not even joking. TTT was wrong. Oh, you TTT. Now I run. Oh, thanks. Hey, what's your name, Rick? If there's the letter D in Rick, let's just do it. And the camera. Bro, why can I throw it? What, bro? Like, why can't I throw that thing? What gonna do about that, huh? Fake boy guest. I will. I'm quiet for no reason. Like, bro, why am I doing that? Yep. That now is our turn. Now is my turn. Yep, now it's my turn. Alright. Wait. Bro, chill. Alright, so move yourself. Move your baby out there. Plastic. I was. I know. You're annoying. 2 minutes and 47 minutes. I mean, seconds. Yeah. Buttercup. About. What? Okay, but. Yo, Rick, what's up? What do you want? Oh, I know that you just wrote. That I just wrote. Bro, stop. Thank God. Right. Come here. Bro, where are you? Hey. I suck. What the fuck? Oh, thanks for helping me store him. Yep. I just need to end the video, bro. Cause I'm angry. I don't know what. Goodbye.